Hello guys, I'm happy to announce that I'm finally finished the 2D to no the 3D to 2D converter on the Decentraland. There are some things that are required. You need a blender, of course, and this is aside from a requirement. If you prefer to use GPU or CPU, you can check on how to change that over here. Because if you render with CPU and it can't handle it, it's a nightmare. Anyway, so I have this GitHub folder repository ready where you can actually look into the script that will work for the Decentraland. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to put your DCL character in the middle, of course, or just import it, however you want to like it. And then you can animate it as well. Let's say I want this arms down, I can just put his arms down and then a little bit more natural. As you can see, this is how he stands, and this is how I prefer the photo to look. Anyway, this is by the way DoctorDRIPP's wearable with Ronin pens and my own just Oni mask. This is how I walk around in DCL, which is why I prefer to use this character. Anyway, so what we do is we click on scripting, and then you can hit new, or if you have downloaded, you can import it from there. But I'm going to assume that you are having the GitHub tab open. Then we go back to GitHub tab. You copy this entire script, and then you can paste it over here. See, did I finish it? Yes, I did. Anyway, so what this does is it will spawn 4 cameras, one on the right side, one on the left side, one in front of him, and one in the back. It will also spawn 6 light boxes, but you won't be able to see them. It's just to make the photo and then quit. Anyway, after that, it will render those images to your C drive by default. You can change that. If you don't know what you're doing, I prefer you to not change it or try to change it. But or you can ask ChatGPT. So I have my file over here ready, and then what I do, I just run the script. It will spawn those boxes that I said, like the camera and the light, of course. And as you can see, it's already done. This is the front image. It will be camera dash F image. This is the back one, and from here on it will just continue from left to right. That's basically all you need to know about this. I'm still working on a script to have animations as well, so that you can have it frame by frame. It's going to be a little bit harder and it's going to take a little bit more time, but this is as far as I could make it open source, because I have it for myself ready, but I know what I'm doing and I'm still working it in Blender. I don't have it scripted yet. Anyway, so this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye.